Hi students, sixth class fourth chapter sorting materials into groups. Our topic name is sorting materials into groups. So this is our fourth chapter in sixth class, fourth chapter, sorting materials into groups. Already we discussed what is the meaning of sorting. Sorting means separating. Okay. Next, materials. Already we discussed that. What is material? Material means a thing, a substance. Already I said you. Into groups. Sorting materials into groups. Already we discussed what is the definition of sorting materials into groups. Properties of materials. You see students, I want to tell you one thing. Some materials will be shining. Some materials will be shining. Okay. So the shining nature of the material is only called as luster. Luster, L-U-S-T-R-E, luster. Okay. Next, second one students, some materials are, for example students, plastic is different from wood, wood is different from iron, iron is different from copper, copper is different from aluminum. So like that, you see, if you take what is that, malleable. So here, next, some materials can be changed into wires, some materials can be changed into sheets. Okay. And wood is different from iron and iron is different from wood. So like that, different materials will have different properties. Different materials will have different properties. Okay. So just now only I said you, for example, with wood, wires and sheets cannot be made. Wires cannot be made with wood, but wires can be made with iron, otherwise copper, aluminum, like that. Okay. So here wood is having one different type of properties. Same like that, iron and copper, aluminum, those are having different type of properties. Okay. Luster property. Just now only we discussed some materials will shine, but some other materials they don't shine. For example, you take coal it doesn't shine. Okay. So like that, different materials will have different properties. Okay. So here, cooking vessels are not made with paper like materials. Can we make cooking vessels with paper? No, we can't make cooking vessels with paper. Why? Because paper is not right material to manufacture cooking vessels. Okay. Cooking vessels are made with iron, copper, otherwise aluminum, otherwise steel, like that. Okay students. So here, to make something, any object, one particular material is needed. Particular material is required to make one particular object. Okay. Next one, a tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth. A tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth. Can we make glasses with a piece of cloth? No. Cloth is a material which is used to what is that, stitch dresses, and the cloth is used in different areas, to close the window, to make the curtains, and to close the windows, to close the doors, and what is that, cloth is used as a sheets, bed sheets, like that. Okay. Dresses also. But in the case of tumbler, glasses cannot be made with cloth. Okay. A tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth. To make tumbler, we need the materials which are having different properties. For example, you take copper. With copper, tumblers can be made. With aluminum, tumblers can be made. With plastic tumbler, glasses can be made with plastic. Okay, so but with cloth tumblers cannot be made. So you see, you can understand, cloth is having one different type of properties when it is compared with the properties of copper, aluminum, like that. Next one, a tumbler is used to keep liquids. What is the use of tumbler? We use tumbler to keep liquid, okay, to store liquid, like that. What is the use of cooking vessels? We use vessels to cook food substances, okay, to prepare food substances, and to heat tumbler. Next one, different materials will have different properties. Just now only I said you, wood is different from iron, wood is different from copper, wood is different from aluminum, okay. So like that, different materials will have different properties, okay. So we you see, wires can be made with copper, aluminum, like that. But with help of coal, can we make wires? We can't make wires with coal, okay. So you understand, with coal, if we burn coal, here a lot of heat energy is produced, okay. So here different materials are having different properties, okay. So that is next one. So what are those, in detail we will discuss about what are the properties of materials, okay. Properties of materials. Here wood is having one different type of properties, and metals are having one different type of properties, and so like the different substances will have different type of properties, okay. So that is only you can understand. Cooking vessels are not made with paper like materials. Why? Because papers are not suitable materials to produce to make cooking vessels. To make cooking vessels, metals are only used, copper, otherwise aluminum, like that, okay. To make cooking vessels, papers are not used. Papers are used to make calendars, notebooks, textbooks, okay. Next one, a tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth. Cloth is used to manufacture curtains and bed sheets, like that, okay. So here to make tumbler also plastic is required, otherwise earthen material is required, otherwise metals like iron, copper, aluminum is required to make a tumbler, okay. So next, so like that, different type of materials are having different type of properties, okay. So here you see, paper is having one type of property, and the papers are used to make notebooks or textbooks, like that, okay. So here cooking vessels are made with help of plastic, with help of metals like iron, copper, aluminum, okay. So we will discuss in detail about the properties of material.